Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom indicator in Tradovate with Community Indicator. This method lets you install powerful tools built by other traders without needing to code anything yourself. First, log in to your Tradovate account. If you don't have one, go to tradovate.com, create an account, and then open the web platform or desktop app. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Indicators panel. Once you're logged in, open any chart. Just click on a symbol like ES, NQ, or CL from the Quotes tab and launch its chart. At the top of the chart window, click the Studies icon. It looks like a small beaker or flask. This opens the Studies and Strategies panel where all your indicators are managed. Step 2. Access the Community Indicators. Now you're going to browse public indicators made by other users. Inside the Studies panel, click the Community tab at the top. You'll now see a full list of community-created indicators sorted by popularity or category. Use the search bar to find something specific. For example, Supertrend, NOM VWAP bands, volume profile. These are shared by the Tradovate community and reviewed by moderators. Step 3. Add a community indicator to your chart. Once you find the indicator you want, click the Add button next to its name. The indicator will be automatically loaded to your chart. No coding needed. If needed, click the gear icon next to the indicator name to customize settings like period, color, or input source. You can also hide or delete it from this same menu anytime. Optional, save custom indicator as template. If you want to use this custom indicator setup again, right-click on the chart and select Save Template. Give your layout a name, like NON Setup. Now every time you open a new chart, just load your template. And your custom indicators will be applied insta. That's it. Using the Community Indicator system, you can access tools developed by other traders, all with just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, let us know in the comments. We post step-by-step guides on Tradovate, TradingView, and Futures trading tools. So be sure to subscribe if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.